What is Clubhouse? Clubhouse is one of the fastest growing social media platforms. It is an audio-only app that is currently available to users of Apple iOS and Android devices. The social audio app started in 2020 and has become a platform for leaders in their field, top influencers, celebrities, and more to hold audio group chats. These audio group chats are uncensored, and the speakers can talk about anything from their lives, their work, their visions, their industries, and their interests. At the time of writing this training, Clubhouse is an invitation-only app. You can only become a Clubhouse member if you are invited to do so. Clubhouse has grown significantly. The initial launch of Clubhouse was in March 2020. It is the brainchild of Paul Davidson and Rohan Seth. Both of these guys used to work at Google, and Davidson also worked at Pinterest. They created Clubhouse after performing some experiments with social media apps. At first, Clubhouse was marketed to some top-tier influencers, industry thought leaders, investors from Silicon Valley, and celebrities. Now they have opened the app up to members of the public. Oprah Winfrey and Elon Musk were two of the biggest names to join Clubhouse. Growth of the Clubhouse platform has been incredible. In December 2020, it had a membership of around 600,000. Now there are more than 10 million active Clubhouse members. There has been an investment of $12 million into the platform, so it is here to stay. It is still the early days for Clubhouse, and they do not have that many users compared to the giants of social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Despite this, there's an opportunity for you to reach out to your target audience here. When they make the app available to everyone without an invitation, then we predict it will grow significantly. Now that people can invite others to the platform, it is going to continue to grow at a rapid rate. The app is also now available for Android devices, which is going to help growth. Initially, it was only available for iOS devices. Launch or join rooms. As a user of Clubhouse, you will be able to create your own rooms or join other people's rooms as an audience member. You can use a room to communicate with people that you know and also your target audience. Rooms in Clubhouse is where all the audio conversations take place. When you enter someone else's room, you'll see everyone that is currently participating. Each room will have at least one moderator, and you can identify these people by a green star next to them. Stages and speakers. Within every room is a stage. You will be able to see those that have the right to speak on the stage, known as speakers. It is possible to distinguish between those speakers that have the microphone right now and those that are currently muted, awaiting their turn to speak. When you see all of the individuals that are participating in a room, some will have a party emoji next to them. This signifies that they are new to the platform. If you tap on any of the participants, you will be taken to their profile on Clubhouse. Having a good profile is essential, and we will discuss this later in the training. Your followers can see what rooms you are in. Later on in this training, we will discuss how you can build a good following on Clubhouse. When you enter a room, your followers will be able to see this. They will also be able to see the speakers that you can see. If anyone taps on your name, then they will view your profile. With Clubhouse, you have the possibility of networking with other members that are interested in the same things that you are. This is great for niche marketing. You can follow others in a room, and they can follow you. Leave quietly. Once you are ready to leave a room, there is a link available that allows you to leave quietly. Maybe you only want to listen to one speaker in a room. When they have finished speaking, you can quietly leave. You have the option to raise your hand to speak if you want to when you are in a room. Clubhouse Hallway. Although Clubhouse is different to other social media platforms, it has a hallway which you can think of as your newsfeed homepage. Here, you will be able to see an overview of what is going on in rooms where you have an interest. On your hallway page, there is also a search field where you can search for what you want. If you have received any messages from other members, these will be in your inbox. On the hallway page, there's also a calendar as well as icons for notifications. Clubhouse Search. You can use the Search or Explore feature in Clubhouse to use keywords to find specific rooms. The results are in the form of a feed which will suggest related rooms and clubs for you. Use the Search feature to find specific people as well as specific clubs. Clubhouse Clubs. One of the best things about Clubhouse is the ability to create or join clubs. These are mini communities within Clubhouse that have an interest in a specific niche, industry, hobbies, and more. When you perform a search for clubs, you will be able to see the title of the club, the number of members that it has, and the number of followers. When you join any of these clubs, you will receive notifications from the managers when they launch a specific room to discuss the subject of the community. In the next video, we will discuss how Clubhouse is different to other social media platforms.